Hey everybody, it's Shawn. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the skills that will not just keep you afloat, but will have you surfing the waves of opportunity like a pro. This gets you geared up, ready to conquer the world and to thrive. We're bringing it down to a level where everyone can grab, so let's go. First up, let's talk about personal finance mastery. Now, I know talking money might seem a bit dry, but hear me out. Imagine your finances as the foundation of a house. You want that foundation solid and unshakable, right? Here's how we do it. Start by beefing up that emergency fund. Life's full of surprises, but you can be ready. Instead of a 3-month safety net, let's aim for 6. So what do? It's simple. Budget like a boss. Know where every dollar is going. Save first, spend later. And hey, those tips at the restaurant, keep them reasonable. You're building a fortress here, brick by brick. Next, embrace AI and technology. AI is not just for techies anymore. It's everywhere, shaping our future. So how do you get in on this train? Start with the basics. There are tons of free resources online to get you started on understanding AI. Set aside some time each week to learn something new in this area. Before you know it, you'll be speaking AI like it's your second language. And the best part, this knowledge makes you invaluable, opening doors that you didn't even know existed. Now, let's talk about building your brand online. Think of the internet as a giant billboard with your name on it, but you get to control what it says. Creating a personal website or portfolio showcases your skills, your journey, and your victories. It's like telling the world, here I am, and I'm ready to make moves. Start with a simple website. Include what you've learned, projects you've worked on, and what you're passionate about. This isn't just a resume, it's your personal story. So pick a platform and start building today. I personally use NowSite. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about understanding leverage. This is where we switch gears. Leverage is about making your effort today pay off tenfold tomorrow. It's about setting up streams of income that don't require you to trade time for money directly. How? On a side hustle. Invest in learning a high demand skill or create digital products. The goal here is to build something once and have it to pay you back over and over again. This is how wealth is built, not by working harder, but smarter. Finally, let's dive into the AI business world. AI is not just a job market, it's a gold mine for those people that are ready to dig. But you don't need to be a genius to get on this. Start by identifying a problem that AI can solve. Then learn the skills needed to address that problem. Maybe it's creating an app, offering consulting services, or starting an AI-powered business. The opportunities are endless. So brainstorm some ideas, no matter how crazy they may seem. One of them could be your ticket to the fast lane. So there you have it, people. 5 key areas to focus on in 2024. Solidifying your financial foundation, getting savvy with AI, showcasing your talents online, leveraging your efforts for greater returns, and tapping into the AI business. Each step you take is a step towards not just surviving, but thriving in these exciting times. Remember, the future is bright for those who are ready to embrace it. So let's get motivated, stay focused, and above all, support each other in this journey. Drop your thoughts, ideas, and progress in the comments below. Let's build this community, share resources, and lift each other up. Together, we're unstoppable. So until next time, keep pushing, keep learning, and keep aiming for the stars. It's time to shine, and I'm here to light the way. Have a great day.